Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to show you has been tested by professional mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry. We're almost at a solution. If your Ford Escape popped up the dreaded message, "Engine fault, service now," the first thing is to stay calm. It doesn't automatically mean your engine is about to blow up, but it is a serious alert that something isn't working as it should, and it's worth checking soon. Think of it as your car telling you, "Hey, I need some attention." The first step is to scan it with a good OBD2 reader. One important thing to know is that trying to guess the problem without the codes is a waste of time and money. This message almost always comes with a code that points to what's actually failing, so you can go straight to the real issue instead of swapping parts blindly. One of the most common culprits is sensors related to the turbo or engine pressure. On EcoBoost models, many owners have reported faulty turbo sensors or loose hoses that make the computer detect overboost or underboost issues. Sometimes, simply adjusting a hose or cleaning a sensor makes the message disappear like magic. Another frequent cause is intermittent air or fuel sensor problems, such as the MAF or oxygen sensors. If these sensors give unusual readings, the computer reduces power or triggers the warning to protect the engine. Several mechanics here have said that cleaning or replacing these sensors solved the problem without spending a lot. We also can't forget the battery and electrical connections. A weak battery, a poorly charging alternator, or a loose cable can confuse the Escape's electronic modules, causing the message to appear even if the engine seems fine. Replacing the battery or checking connections has been the fix for many. Sometimes the message comes and goes without a clear reason. This is usually a temporary electronic glitch. It can happen after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or even from strong vibrations on the road. In these cases, turning the car off, waiting a few minutes, and restarting it can reset the system. But keep in mind, this only works if there isn't an underlying real problem. Finally, if the warning keeps showing or you feel a loss of power, it's time to go to a shop with a professional scanner that can read Ford modules properly. This prevents swapping parts randomly and ensures an accurate diagnosis. Forums agree. A proper scan saves money and headaches.